Introducing the Oppo A3 Pro, the latest marvel from Oppo, now equipped with the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset and boasting an impressive IP69 rating for dust and high-temperature water resistance. Step into the future with this sleek device, designed to withstand the elements and keep up with your dynamic lifestyle. Featuring a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, the Oppo A3 Pro delivers an immersive viewing experience like no other. Whether you're streaming your favorite content or gaming on the go, every detail comes to life with vibrant colors and crystal-clear clarity. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the dual rear camera setup, including a high-resolution 64-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Plus, elevate your selfies with the 8-megapixel front camera, perfect for capturing share-worthy snaps and video chats with friends and family. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the Oppo A3 Pro offers lightning-fast performance and ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Stay connected wherever you go with 5G support, and enjoy seamless multitasking with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Experience peace of mind knowing your device is protected against the elements, thanks to its robust 360-degree anti-fall body and IP69 rating. And with a massive 5000 mAh battery and 67W fast charging, you can power through your day without missing a beat. Available in 3 striking colorways, the Oppo A3 Pro combines style, performance, and durability in one sleek package. Don't miss out on the ultimate smartphone experience. Get your hands on the Oppo A3 Pro today.